Could be from anxiety if you have a lot of anxiety.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. That's just as bad. But you should be able to have less anxiety now with this back here, but you got so much work that you got that you do. So
More just comes from not like being stable.
damn.
That's just my bad.
Yeah. We gotta install a waterfall down here. I'm just kidding. It would just be funny if there was. It'd just be nice if there was water coming down. I hope I didn't get in poison ivy, but
Right there, you did.
hopefully
But
not.
it's around for sure. There's like poison oak in the middle of that thing.
Fuck.